Hey guys, so this is example 110 from the assigned problems, and the problem was the integral of ln of t squared minus 1 dt. So to start off, I did integration by parts, which there's the formula and there's the numbers that I plugged in. And essentially we get it to t of ln of t squared minus 1 minus the integral of 2t squared divided by t squared minus 1 dt. So from there, I decided to tackle this integral to start. So to do that, I took out the 2 and I rewrote it, as you can see there, and then continued to simplify until I got it into integrals of the integral of 1 over t squared minus 1 dt plus the integral of 1 dt. So from there, I decided to first tackle the integral of 1 over t squared minus 1 dt, and I continued to, so I simplified it down to this, which is just rewriting the bottom, and then I did a partial fraction decomposition to here, which I took out the 1/2 because we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 2, and rewrote it as 1/2 the integral of 1 over t minus 1 dt minus 1/2 the integral of 1 over t plus 1 dt. Then I just decided to break these integrals apart and tackle them, and I decided to use substitution. So we have u equals t minus 1, du over dt would just be 1, and then dt would equal du. So then we plug that in here, so that would be 1 over u du, which, as we know from class, is just ln over u, and then we just plug back in our t minus 1 for u. And the same thing with the 1 over t plus 1. It actually turns out the same, except u equals t plus 1. But same math, so that gives us ln of t plus 1. So here's where I start plugging in solved integrals. So here we have 1/2 the integral of 1 over t minus 1 dt minus 1/2 the integral of 1 over t plus 1 dt equals ln of t minus 1 over 2 minus ln of t plus 1 over 2. Then I decided to go back up to our integral of 1 dt, which just equals t due to constants. So then I write too big, so second sheet of paper. So now we're going to go back and plug in more solved integrals. So now for this integral, we have ln of t plus 1 over 2 plus our constant of t plus the ln of t minus 1 over 2. And then we're just going to continue to plug in solved integrals. So now we have this integral, and we're going to get negative ln of t plus 1 plus 2t plus ln of t minus 1 because of that 2 out front. And then we're going to plug in our final solved integral for our final answer, which equals t ln of t squared minus 1 plus ln of t plus 1 minus 2t minus the ln of t minus 1.